Good evening, good day to anyone, wherever you are. Today, I was watching a movie, and at the end of the movie, all of a sudden, I said, oh my God, I haven't understood the movie. So, is it in English? Was it in English, the movie? There was the subtitles. So, I looked for the movie. I launched the movie. It was in English, no subtitles. I was surprised. I understood. I usually say I don't understand anything when I watch movies, but I noticed today that now I understand much more. I was surprised. So that's the new the news for today. And now I need to go to applaud the people who are allowing us to be safe at home, like doctor, nurses, people who clean the street, firefighter, bakers, all these people who allow us to stay calm and safe at home. So people, see you, and we applaud to anyone who is working for us. Bye.